These baked barbecue chicken drumsticks are crispy, juicy, and delicious with pickled red onions. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Hey friends, this yummy recipe is actually very easy to put together. For this barbecue recipe, I have about 5 pounds of drumsticks that I have already patted dry with some paper towels. I have 2 red onions here that I'm going to use for pickling. This will go very nicely with the dish. And then of course, we have the spices to go with the dish. I have cumin, coriander, some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, garam masala, ginger, black pepper. I will leave the spice rub recipe in the description box together with all the ingredients to go with this dish. Now, first things first, transfer this into a bowl and then mix to make the rub. Now, sprinkle some of this rub onto the chicken, about 1.5 tablespoons. Season with salt. I'll get in with my hands, rub this, coat every single piece of the drumstick. I will lay this on a wire rack, have them air dry for about half an hour as I prep for the pickles. I will line this sheet pan with some parchment paper. This will minimize the cleanup. Then lay the wire rack right on top and then just lay the chicken. Leave it to air dry. You can actually have this air dry in your fridge overnight. It will be even more crispier. Now into this small pan, red wine vinegar. About half a cup, some sugar, just a touch salt, 2 bay leaves, a cinnamon stick, peppercorns, some water. Bring this to a boil. Go ahead and finish slicing these onions. Just separate these onions. Transfer the sliced onions into this bowl. Our pickling juice has already come to a boil. Now pour the pickling juice onto the onions. Leave this to rest for about an hour and you have pickled red onions. I'll use this small plate just to weigh them down so that they're just submerged. I tasted the pickling juice when it was boiling. Into another sauce pot, add ketchup, red wine vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, some of our reserved spice rub into the sauce pot, just a touch salt, a touch black pepper, some water. All ingredients will be in the description box. Give it a stir, keep an eye on it, bring to a boil and reduce. Once the barbecue sauce here have come to a boil, you want to lower the heat and just cook it slowly. You want to reduce most of this water and then just give it a nice thick consistency. It's a good time to put our chicken into the oven to start baking. This barbecue sauce is still bubbling here, nicely reducing. In the next 15 minutes or so, we are going to start brushing the chicken with it. So just let it continue doing its thing. In the meanwhile, I'll go ahead and put away some of the extra pickles that we have made. This chicken has been baking for about 15 minutes or so. So using a brush, I'm going to start applying the barbecue sauce on each one of these drumsticks. I took some of this barbecue from the pot, and then I'm left with what I'm going to use for serving the chicken with. So just apply a layer of the barbecue sauce, and this will go back into the oven. Turn. Brush. Back into the oven, continue baking and baste as you go. These barbecue chicken drumsticks are all done. Look at how beautiful they look. So friends, there you have it, our easy to make barbecue chicken drumsticks, a dish that you can do on any day of the week. The pickled onions offer a very nice balance of this dish. I made extra, you can save them in the fridge. The same thing with the barbecue sauce. Give a taste on this delicious chicken. Wow. Just pulls off the bone. Nice. Tangy. This is just so good. Get some of these onions with the chicken here. They just offer a very nice balance. Just what a delicious dish to do on any day of the week. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember, please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.